G'day guys, I'm just travelling back from an event. Actually went ice skating. I had to film for a kids party. Did that as well, and weddings and stuff. So I thought I'd just go past my old haunts here, my old places to work on the way home. Sort of on the way home. Got to go up the freeway and that, G'day guys, welcome to my channel On The Road Australia. I'm just popping out a few things in my new little car, mini little manual car for whizzing around and everything. Back on the old manual again, a bit. Still got my other vehicles, but in my boat, of course. It's sitting so low, I feel like I'm sitting in a go-kart. It's a terrific car. I'm just popping up to do my bit of shopping. Really appreciate you watching my videos, guys. Hope you're enjoying them. There's a lot more to come. I've been doing this many years and I've made this new channel with the same name. My name that I've had since, I don't know, 2006. Soulman Productions, Sydney, Australia. And this channel, one of my main channels, is called On The Road Australia. So travelling adventures, variety, unboxing, testing, reviewing, everything you can think of. If you've got any suggestions, just pop them down below. Anyway guys, hope you enjoy this one. Anyway, see you real soon. Roll the intro. Bang. 'Cause we are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come, we share a dream, and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are. Currently got flooded here in Sydney again, so stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to put up videos of some flooding we had in the west and south in Sydney earlier this year. Stay tuned guys, thanks for watching, bye. G'day, I'm just reporting from the Georgia River in Sydney, looking at all the floods. As you can see from here, it's absolutely shocking. It's the worst I've seen since 1986. Still, it's coming up and coming up. By himself down here, I think. Anyway, light's got the eyes. So I've just come back down to the Georges River in Sydney, and it's actually worse, the floods, than last time. Look at the duck. Look at the ducks and their geese. Is that a goose? Far out. Someone's even had to put their little rowboat here to get out to their boat. Jeez. I've launched my boat from here before. Unbelievable. So I'll continue on my, it's not an adventure. It's sad actually. Anyway guys, see you soon. Oh, nice and warm in the car. Absolutely shocking, guys. It's good for the ducks, but not for these poor people along all the waterways here in Sydney. Anyway, guys, I'll continue on. Stay tuned. So this is a duck pond over here, and normally pretty empty. Look at it now, guys. Look at this. The river's almost broken its banks completely. Stop here for a sec, guys. I come down with my boat, travel all around here as well. Shocking. Look at that. They'll close this road off shortly. Shocking. Wow. Ready to break. Far out. Uh-oh. I better get out of here. These trucks better move. Oh, they're a bit higher up anyway. They'll close this road off. Wow, I got soaked. Waterfall. Watch out for the wildlife around here. Little waterfalls everywhere, guys. Whoa, the road has got water all over it. Might try another spot, we'll do some more later, but I'm absolutely soaked. Closed. Wonder why. Okay, we'll continue on up this road. Bye guys. We continue, guys. See you real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Point light on the camera. Watch out for snakes crossing the road. Shit. Wow. Watch out here, the water's come right on the road now. Look at the oh, look at it there, guys. Just show them come going up, I'll come back tomorrow. This spot. Come all the way back here.
St George Illawarra forward Jack de Belin believes the NRL let him down by standing him down for 2.5 seasons while his sexual assault allegations played out in court.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Hooroo. Want you. Bye.